patented dome lid allows for increased capacity when closed to prevent smashing condiments and rotates back for easy access. Accommodates easy chill ice packs and feature ice liners that allow the use of ice. Interchangeable and removable standard and deep trays allow versatile configurations to meet changing needs. This all-in-one garnish center is the ideal organizing and space-saving solution for your bar. This garnish center is compatible with common mixing rails, and its detachable trays are dishwasher safe and simple to clean. The clear dome cover spins back, allowing for ease of access while maintaining food safety standards. Comes with 4 1-pint trays, 1 2-quart tray, 2 end caps, and 1 snap-on caddy for straws and other drink accessories. This garnish station is modular and can accommodate other industry standard size trays. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for a hot cocoa bar. I know, not a standard way to use it, but I love it just the same. Used the large bin for the cocoa packets. Then added toppings to the rest. We'll put stir sticks on the side and some candy cane sticks. Also bought 2 bottles to put flavored syrup, think ice cream, and put on the side. Did all of this for my older children since they love cocoa during the colder months. Thinking about adding creamer packets since we love adding those to cocoa.